Watch this video if you want to make serious money online. Because the thing that will determine if you succeed or fail is not your niche, not your content, not even your strategy. It's your mindset. I am making this video because now that I'm getting more attention and support on YouTube, I'm also getting more negative comments. And I know that's just part of the game, but there is a specific type of comment I kept seeing and I need to address directly. Let's get into it. Hi everyone, I'm Mama. I started this channel in January this year, 2026. Quick intro if you're new here. I'm a software developer over 7 years of experience. In January 2025, I decided to start an online business. I started on Threads. After finding success there, I brought my personal brand here to YouTube. I make money through my online services, my digital products, and my apps where I sell subscriptions. And every single client and user I get organically through content because it's free and it just costs time and dedication. That's the path I choose, and it's the path I am going to talk to you about today. When I started my business, I thought like a software developer. I knew the easy part was building the product, in my case, my apps or digital products. The hard part was getting the users, the clients. And the real way to do that without spending money, it's content creation. You build a community online. That is how I got users and clients without spending a single dollar, just time. Now, if you don't want to go that road, that's fine too. You can invest money upfront and hire an agency or social media manager to do it for you. I personally like to test things myself before I put real money behind them. That's just my approach. And to do this the organic way, I had to actually learn sales, marketing, social media strategy, because a lot of the old gurus teach selling in a way that doesn't match how people actually behave on social media. Social media introduced a completely new way of monetizing yourself or your brand. If you have a business, a personal brand, or a brand in any niche and you want to scale, you need a real presence online. I'm not here to tell you my 2 years of failure story before I started making money. I'm here to change your mindset because that is what actually determines whether you make money or not. Lately, I have been getting comments like, it's not easy as you say, or I don't have time to post all the time, or straight up, fake guru. Let me be clear, I am not a guru. This channel exists to show you exactly what I actually do in my businesses. How I create content for my brands, how I grow my audience, how I collect leads, how I monetize those leads, how I keep scaling, how and why I make sales online every single day. This channel is for people who actually want to build something. It's not for people who want to make money fast. And I needed to say this directly. People who only care about making money fast usually don't care about their clients, they care about their pocket. And if you are starting a business because you need money fast, I can already tell you what happens. You will fail, for sure. Running a business takes so much more than I want to make money fast. Making money is not the reason you succeed. And honestly, you will get tired if you start something with no real reason behind it. You will turn your business into a new job, except harder than the one you already have. Because at the beginning, there is a lot of work with zero return. When I was putting hours and hours with no financial return, I didn't quit because my why was so much bigger than the money or the tiredness. My purpose was building something real, something I will be proud of in 5 to 10 years. That was my goal, and because my why was solid, I made it through the hottest phase. And I did all of that while still working my 9 to 5. So if the only reason you are doing this is because you need money fast, I need to be honest with you. People come to me all the time asking, do you think I can make money fast? And here's my honest answer. If you want to make money fast, you are going to need to create content that attracts your target audience and post consistently for the next 6 months straight. Then after that, you will start making money fast. Or you put money into ads, but if you don't do it right, the chances of losing money are high. Would you actually do that? Because that's what fast really looks like. After 2 years of failing, Threads finally worked, and after 3 months, I quit my job and went all in. I was posting every single day, batching content, and over time you learn how to build systems that optimize your time and your energy. Nowadays, my business runs mostly on autopilot because I already know exactly what needs to get done. So making money online money is easy. I say that because I know it now. It was hard when I didn't know anything about sales, marketing, or social media strategy. It was hard when I wasn't consistent. The moment I started studying, being consistent, and building something with a plan to last, and I let it go, that desperate I need money fast mindset, real money started flowing without stopping. That's when my life actually changed. That's when I quit my job. And now I'm traveling the world, running my business from my laptop. This life exists. I am literally living proof of it. So if you really want to make money online, and I know most of you are not patient, here's what you actually need to do. Find yourself. Find a problem you can solve for your audience, or if you don't know that yet, start creating content anyway, so you learn as you go. These skills come from practice, not from waiting until you feel ready. Start. I didn't know how to do anything when I started. Even programming, I taught myself. YouTube tutorials, buying online courses, teaching myself how to build my apps. I got a job in tech with zero experience, and I spent 7 years working as a developer before I opened my own company. Now I build my own apps, I make money from subscription, combining my tech skills with my sales and marketing skills I also taught myself. Talking to the camera, editing videos, all of that came from the same way. Practice, watching tutorials is slowly getting better. You are responsible for changing your own life. Invest your time in learning new skills. You need willpower. So to answer the question I get all the time, Ma, do you think I can make money? Yes, you can, but it depends entirely on your willpower. I cannot do anything for you. The only thing I can do is share my journey, share my real experience, what actually worked for me. After you watch my videos, you have to do something with it. $100,000 is not going to fall into your lap after you watch this video. You have to put in the work yourself. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. I will answer based on my real experience. But you are the one with the power to change your life. Not me, not any YouTuber here. You have to do it for yourself. And I hope you have the patience for 6 to 12 months, because if you actually think about it, 6 to 12 months to build a completely different life, it's nothing. I hope this video pushed you to take a real action today. I have a video here showing how I quit my job, this one right here. Go watch after this one. You will understand how I got ready to make this big move. And if this video gave you value, hit the thumbs up. It really helps. And subscribe to the channel because there is a lot more coming. See you on the next video.